Hi everyone. If you saw the first video, I did auto punch and I imported Snoopy. So I just want to do some minor corrections on Snoopy. So if you could see here, there's some issues I have with it. There is gaps right here. There are also gaps here. There are also gaps there. So I want to fix these issues. The body got gaps, the face got gaps. And I think that's the only issue I have with it. So when you have a situation like that, you have to do full conversation. So the first thing I'm gonna go to sewing attributes, but it's not showing. It's already there, but it's not showing. So I have to click here, and the first one I'm going to start with is the hat. So I have 0 for conversation, pull conversation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go, and let's zoom in because we cannot see it. We cannot see the changes if it looks this small. So I'm going to just zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to go back and change it to like go to view, and okay, so this is stitch. Yes, so I wonder if how it look if it's real. You know what, I'm gonna stick with real for now, realistic view, and and go back to where I found the hat, which is here. So I need to make it work. So I'm gonna go over here to pull conversation and increase my density. Do y'all notice the difference? Doesn't that look better? Okay, how about 2? To be on the safe side. And let's see what happens if I go to 3. Will it be too much? It still looks the same. Okay, so I'll leave it at 3 because I don't notice that much of a difference from 2 to 3. So I'll just leave it at 3. So it looks a lot better, right? Okay. And another issue I had is the face. I'm going to select the tool and see if it ends up selecting the whole thing. So I'm going to see if I can find the face. I think this face is right there. So there go the face. And it looks fine on screen. It doesn't look like it had any issues, but the face do got a gap. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do pull conversation right here and increase it. I'm going to go 3. Okay, so another one I have an issue with is the body. So I'm going to go look. I'm going to remove this because this is highlighted. Remove this. So I need to make changes on the body, and I think that's it. So just like before, I'm going to do pull compensation again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so hopefully that would fix, fix the issue. And I'm gonna zoom out. And I'm gonna go to this cute little flower and save as. Okay, okay. It's not recognizing the key. So I'm gonna have to reconnect the software to it. It's not recognizing it. Okay. So and I need to get my disc so I can save it. I'm gonna go to save as. I'm not gonna change anything. I'm just gonna replace it. And I didn't I saved it so quick I didn't remember what folder. Okay, it's in the removable folder. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to the embroidery machine and stitch it out again and see how it comes out. Okay, so I just finished doing the second embroidery and I just want to show like a comparison of the first and second one, side by side comparison. So you could see, as you could see, the second one came out really good. Um, I don't like this one had a gap. This one don't have a gap no more. And I still have the lines there. It's still showing. So I'm gonna go back. I have to hook my mouse up. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and hopefully this will work. And I'm gonna look for the body. I increase it to 3. I decided to increase it to 5. And I'm gonna do the same for the face. Look for the face. Here go the face. And I'm gonna turn it to 5. That should fix it. And for the hat, I want to increase it to this white part here. I'm going to increase it to 3. And I'm going to just take the magnet tool and just blow it up and see how it'll look. Okay, so on the face part, you can see it's not gonna look so good, and the body too. So, let me see how it look. With if y'all notice it, like right here is sticking out the black line, and I don't want that, you know. So, go back to 4. Let me see what it's gonna look like if it's a 4. is sticking out a bit. Let me see what happens with the body if I go, see the body. See what it looks like with the body if I go down to 3. It's going to start to stick out. So 3 is like the best. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just double click on the face. And I'm going to take my magnet tool and just, so I'm still seeing the lines. And I want them to go away. So I'm hoping this is going to work. Because right now it was at 3. So I'm going to put it up to 4. But what happened when I put it up to 4 is now it's stitching out the outline here for the face and the body. Go over here to the body. If I go for the body, see what happened to the body. The body's at 3. So if I go 4, it sticks out. And I don't want that. So the C is sticking out the black outline. So I think for black, let's see what happens if I go black and let me go to homes. So you can see it's protruding out a little bit. So let's see what happens on black. What happens if I increase it? Okay, that looks a little bit better. So I increase it only once, you know, because I don't want to be too dark or too much. Okay, so I think that's okay. So I'm gonna go homes. And hopefully this time it works, you know. Let's see, save as. I'm gonna go save it now and get my disc. Let's save it. Hi everyone, so I just finished embroidery, the 3rd one, and as you can see, it looks pretty good, but it's still got the lines, and it's not showing too much because it's white on white background, but you can see the lines over there, but everything else looked good. Okay, so you can see this one is the 2nd attempt right here, and this was the first attempt that I did. So I am gonna go back and try again one more time and make sure this is hooked up. Okay, it's hooked up. My mouse is hooked up. So, okay, so this is the face, right? So I'm gonna increase it to 6. Hold on, and I'm gonna increase the body. I can't see it myself. Okay, so look for the body. Okay, there go the body. And I'm also gonna increase it to 6, and hopefully that will solve the problem. So I'm gonna try one more time. Okay, so this is the first one I did. So the first one you could see the lines, and there's also a line in the face and the body, and it didn't go all the way. Okay, so this is the second attempt that I did. This time the hat did fill in, but I did have some issues with the lines. If you could see it. So this is the third attempt. As you can see, I still have some issues with the lines, but it's not that noticeable, and it looks pretty good. And this time, what I forgot to tell y'all the last time is I used 2 stabilizers for this one, the third time. Okay, so this is the last attempt that I did, and it came out a whole lot better. Yes, if you only move it, you could see it, but it's not noticeable like the other 3. So this came out way better, and even when I raise it up, you don't see it coming through like the others. So it came out perfect. And I'll show you like this one. If you could more see it, well, you don't really see it that much, but it's, to me, it's still like noticeable. Whereas this one, even when I do this, it's not that noticeable like the third one. So that's how you fix it. So this is the second one and the first one, of course. So that's how you fix the embroidery. So I hope that I was helpful for y'all. And until later, I'll see you next time. All right. Bye.